Hello everyone, welcome back to our WhatsApp Business API integration series. In the previous video, we created your app on Facebook developers platform. Now we are moving to what I call it as a make or break step because that is called as business verification. Before we dive in, I need to be very honest with you. This is where many people face rejection and frustration. But here's the thing. Most rejection happen because people don't understand what Meta is looking for or they make small mistakes in entering information. In this video, I am going to show you the complete verification process covering both the scenarios you might encounter when Meta finds your business in their records and when they don't. And if you run into any issues that I don't cover here, stay till the end because I'll tell you exactly how to get personalized help from me and my team on a quick Google Meet call. So let's begin. Business verification is where Meta confirms that you are a legitimate registered business. They do this to prevent fake businesses or scammers from using WhatsApp Business API. This verification process is mandatory and you cannot proceed to set up WhatsApp until Meta approves your business. Now the good news is that this process is straightforward if you know what to do, and I am going to walk you through its steps one by one. Let's begin. First, you need to go back to your business portfolio. You can simply access it like we did it in earlier videos. Once you're in your business portfolio, you'll see a section showing business verification status. Right now, it probably says unverified. Next to the status, you will see a button that says view detail. Click on it. Look for a button that says start verification and click on it. Then click get started to begin the actual verification process. The first question Meta will ask you is to select your country. Use this drop-down menu and select the country where your business is registered. This is important. Select the country of business registration, not just where you are currently, right? After selecting your country, click next. Next, Meta will ask you to select your business type. So, if you will see options like sole proprietorship, partnership, private limited company, and so on, select the type that matches your business registration. If you're not sure, check your business registration documents. After selecting, click next. Now, Meta will ask whether your business is registered or not yet registered. Say if you have a GST number, PAN card for your business or MSME certificate, then your business is registered. So you can click on registered. If you're running an unregistered business or you're a freelancer without these documents, click not yet registered. For this video, I'm proceeding with registered since that's the most common scenario. After clicking registered, you will see form asking you to enter your business details. Write your business tax ID number or the registration number shown in the business legal documents. Then enter your legal business name exactly as appears on your KYC documents. Then enter your business address exactly as appears on your document. Don't rearrange the address or try to make it look better. Enter your business phone number and website as well. Use the number that appears on your KYC documents. After filling all these details, click next. Now, here is where the process splits into two different paths. And which path you have to take depends upon what Meta system finds. Path 1. Meta finds matching records. If Meta finds your business in their database, you will see a screen showing one or more businesses that matches your details. Look through these carefully and find your business. You might see multiple records matching to your business. Find the record with the most accurate information and select it by clicking on it. After selecting your business, Meta will ask you to verify your ownership. This is the most common method, is verification through email or phone number. Let's say you choose email verification. Meta will ask you to re-enter the registered email address. This should be the email address officially registered with your business. Type it and click send email. Check your email inbox. The email will contain a confirmation code. Copy this code, go back to your business portfolio, enter the code and click next. If the code is correct, Meta will confirm your verification. Your status will change to in review and Meta will review your submission, which usually takes 2 to 3 hours, though they say it takes 24 hours but happens within less than an hour at times. Path 2. Meta doesn't find matching records. Now what if Meta doesn't find your business record in their database? This is actually very common, especially for new businesses, small businesses or businesses in certain industries that aren't widely listed online. So don't panic if this happens to you. There is a clear process to follow. When Meta system doesn't find a match, you will see a message saying they couldn't find matching records, or they will show businesses that clearly aren't yours. Look for an option that says something like my business is not listed. Click on that option. Meta will now ask you to select your verification method. It is suggested to select verification through WhatsApp messages. After that, now comes the document upload part. Since Meta doesn't have your business in their database, they need to ask you, or they will ask you to prove your business that it exists. So they will ask you to upload documents that shows your business name, address and phone number. The key is that the document should clearly shows your business name, exactly what you entered, your business address, your ideal contact information. So make sure all these documents that you're uploading should be clear and legible. Select the document type from the drop down, click upload and select the file from your computer. Meta might ask for additional information, so if you have more supporting documents, upload those as well. After uploading documents, Meta will still ask you to verify through the verification method selected by you. If you selected email, enter your registered email address and click send email. Check your inbox for the confirmation code from Meta, enter it back here in the verification screen and click next. After completing all verification steps, your status will change to in review. Since you have submitted manual documents, the review might take time anywhere around 2 to 4 hours, maybe 8 hours, depending on how clear your documents were. Meta system will check if the documents were authentic, if the information matches what you entered, and if everything meets the requirement. That's great. Now, what happens after submission? Regardless of path you choose or you took, once your verification is in review, be patient. You will receive an email from Meta once they have made a decision. In most cases, your information was accurate and documents were clear, you will get an approval. If you get rejected, don't panic. Meta usually provides a reason in their email. Common reasons include unclear documents, information mismatch, outdated documents, or missing required information. If rejected, you can usually resubmit with the corrected information or better documents. Once your verification is approved, you are ready to move to the next and most exciting part, which is called as setting up your WhatsApp Business API on your Lemon AI dashboard. That's what we'll cover you in the next video. Now, before we end, let me address the reality and the best part. Business verification can sometimes be very tricky. So if you're stuck somewhere, you've got my back. I don't want to see you getting frustrated or waste days or weeks going back and forth. I will help you out. Yes. So if you're facing any issues with business verification, whether it's about choosing the right documents, formatting them properly, understanding a rejection reason, dealing with name mismatch, whatever, just reach out to us at lemonade.com. The contact number is in the description box below. My team will jump into a 2-minute quick Google Meet call with you, review your specific situations, guide you on exactly which documents you use to submit your verification again, and we will help you through the entire resubmission process. We are Meta's official tech partner for WhatsApp Business API, and we have successfully verified thousands of businesses, including many complex cases where documents didn't even perfectly match. We know exactly what Meta is looking for, and we can help you get verified through trial and error, so you don't have to worry and struggle alone. And if verification is now in review or approved, please give this video a like. And you make sure that you subscribe this video, because once your verification is approved, we are moving to Lemon AI dashboard to set up your WhatsApp Business API. That's coming up in the next video, so don't miss it. See you. Bye-bye.